Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Jim's Mix. And I'm Jim, and welcome to the messiest shop in the state of Wyoming. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and an initial overview, I guess, or impressions of a product from Rosco Manufacturing. It's a 16-inch mid-length 5.56 AR barrel standard profile, and we're going to just have a look at it and see what you get. And the reason I'm doing this is you can get some incredible deals from Rosco Manufacturing on their barrels and other products, and this is one of their Blemished barrels. It's a cosmetic only blemish, function, fit, and everything else is fine. It'll be a cosmetic blemish. We'll see if we can spot it when we get into it. Again, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, leave comments or questions down below. So let's get into it. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. My camera person's my granddaughter today. She used to do all of my camera work for me back, well, for a long time. She's been off at college, so she's home. So we're just going to open this from the end, I guess, it looks like, and see what we get in here. It's very well taped and packaged with that nylon strap tape, so it's... And then this is the Rosco Manufacturing box. Should tell you on the end or someplace, but it don't. It said on the packaging slip. So here it is. Just got some foam on each end. Pretty good protection, to be honest. It's a little extra foam there on the barrel thread ends, and I'm going to put some cheaters on so I can see what I'm doing, and we'll get a little look at it. Rosco Manufacturing. There's our gas port hole, and it's already dimpled on the other side for the gas block. And let's give it a little wipe off here with a rag and see if we can spot what the cosmetic blemish is. This end down to the gas block looks good, and here I see the cosmetic is difference in the finish and the nitrite. It's got some little dings. I don't think you'll be able to see them in the camera, but maybe some little scratches on it here and there. But especially here on this barrel end, you can see some cosmetic, and again, I don't know if that'll show up on the camera. Now we're going to I'm going to run a patch down the barrel, and we'll see. And please remember, always, whether it doesn't matter whose it is, a brand new barrel, you need to clean it a little bit. And we're just going to run a patch down it and see what it looks like. With nitrite finishing, a lot of times you'll have residue in the barrel from the process. We're just going to use a nickel-plated jag so that we don't have a copper transfer. I'll be using this Vortec Eliminator. This is one of my favorite cleaners after all of the years, 50 years or more of cleaning weapons and guns of all kinds. This has been the absolute best cleaner I've ever had. So we're just going to run the patch down through it, see what we get out on the other end. And you're watching this just as I do it and unbox it. So as you can see, I don't know if she'll be able to get zoomed in on that. You've got some really gnarly looking rust, and it's actually not rust, it's leftover residue from the nitriting, but it's very dirty. This is the importance of cleaning a barrel when you just get it. A brand new barrel is going to be dirty on the inside. So let's go ahead and do one more wet patch and see what it looks like. I'm not going to bore you with the whole time of cleaning it. I will do a follow-up after the barrel's been cleaned and goes through the install process. If you'd like to see a video on installing an AR-15 barrel along with truing up the receiver, please let me know in the comment section. I know there's a lot of those videos out there on YouTube, and I would just give you my spin on it. Still It's cleaning up some. It's not as bad as it was. And we'll just do one more real quick. Initial impressions so far, just with the unboxing, the packing was good. It was well protected, double boxed, pretty heavy box. So we'll just wet one more, and I'd put this in the vise and do a little better job doing it, but for the sake of brevity of the video, and I know that people usually don't make it very long with videos. Yes, it's going to clean up pretty good. Getting just regular old stuff out of it. So again, this is a pretty dirty barrel, but they all are. New barrels are dirty. It doesn't matter if you've gotten it from a gun dealer and it's a completed rifle, barrel installed. Please clean it. Get it very good and clean. Dry patch it, a little light oil. Clean the bore before you go shoot it, and that's what you'll need to do. Again, this is from Rosco Manufacturing. This is the Rosco. Oh my goodness, I can't remember which one I missed, but it's a little heavier profile. I think I said it's regular profile, but it's a little heavier than the pencil barrel AR barrel. So again, initial impressions, the only thing I do see is some finish, but you know, this thing's going to be under a handguard, so I don't think there's much to worry about there. It is a 4150 CMV metal, 1-in-7 twist, and it is 5.56 NATO chambered. The feed ramps, they look very good. I don't know if she's able to get those in the video here, but the feed ramps look very good. I don't see anything there that's going to cause any problems. Yeah, it's going to lock up good. So anyway, that's the Rosco Blemished barrel. Real good deals on those. Not a paid for or sponsored. Bought this with my own money. Just want to give you the hint on maybe check out what Rosco's got in their blend barrels. Other companies do the same thing. So thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Like and subscribe and leave questions, comments. And if you'd like to see this barrel installed on AR platform with the truing of the receiver, the upper receiver, just let me know in the comments below. God bless you, and thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of your Memorial Day weekend.